Welcome to the lecture series of differential calculus. Today we are going to see a problem under evolute. Look at the question. Prove that evolute of the hyperbola xy equal to c square is x plus y whole power 2 by 3 minus x minus y whole power 2 by 3 equal to 4c power 2 by 3. So this is the question. Given curve is a hyperbola. The answer is also given. Evolute answer is given. After completing the problem, you can refer the answer is right or wrong. So now here the hyperbola parametric form we have to write first. So the parametric form of the given curve, parametric form of the hyperbola is xy equal to ct and y equal to c by t. Okay, so the parametric form of the hyperbola is x is equal to ct, y equal to c by t. So parameter is t, we can find dx by dt equal to c and dy by dt equal to 1 by t. So minus c by t square. Now our first derivative dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt, that is equal to minus c by t square into 1 by c, because dx by dt, 1 by dx by dt. So you can cancel the c. So our y1 equal to minus 1 by t square. So this is our first derivative. Now our second derivative y1 equal to minus 1 by t square. Second derivative is d square y by dx square, that is nothing but d by dx of dy by dx, that is equal to d by dt dy by dx of dt by dx, that is equal to d by dt dy by dx is minus 1 by t square into dt by dx, reciprocal of dx by dt is 1 by c. So already one minus is there, so you can keep outside. Differentiation of 1 by t square is minus 2 by t cube into 1 by c. So that is equal to 2 by ct cube. So our y2 equal to 2 by ct cube. Now we have to find out x bar. Write the x bar formula. X bar equal to x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. So what is our x? X is ct minus y1 minus 1 by t square into y2, 1 plus y1 square 1 by t power 4 divided by y2. What is our y2? y2 is 2 by ct cube. So now we are going to simplify this one. So here first step is minus into minus, this will become as plus, and the 2 by ct cube will come into the numerator. So this is equal to ct plus ct cube by 2, okay, into 1 by t square, and you can take the LCM. So t power 4 plus 1 divided by t power 4. So x bar equal to ct plus c by 2t cube into t power 4 plus 1. Okay. So that is equal to ct plus, you can multiply with c t power 4 by 2t cube plus c by 2t cube. So you can cancel the power. So we can get ct plus ct by 2 plus c by 2t cube. So here it is ct and here it is 1 by 2 ct. So you can get 2 plus 1 3. So 3 ct by 2 plus c by 2t cube. So this is our x bar. Same manner we are going to find our y bar. So we will write the y bar formula. Y bar equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square divided by y2. Y is equal to c by t plus 1 plus y1 square. y1 square is 1 by t power 4 divided by y2. What is our y2? y2 is 2 by ct cube. So that is equal to c by 2 plus ct cube by 2 into t power 4 plus 1 divided by t power 4. Okay, so that is c by t plus So we can multiply with this one, Ct cube by 2 into 1 plus Ct cube by 2 into 1 by t power 4. So C by t plus Ct cube by 2 plus, here you can cancel the t power 3. So we can get C by 2t. Here also C by t and here also C by 2. This is 1 and 1 by 2. So we can get 3C by t plus Ct cube by 2. So this is our y bar. So now we got the answer for x bar and y bar. So in the next step we are going to find the given, prove that. What is our given? Prove that x bar plus y bar and x bar minus y bar we have to find out. So now we are going to find out x bar plus y bar. Now x bar plus y bar, that is equal to 3ct by 2 plus c by 2t cube, this is our x bar, plus y bar 3c by 2t plus ct cube by 2. So in all the term we can take c by 2 commonly outside. So we can take c by 2 outside, write the remaining. Okay. So 3t plus 1 by t cube plus 3 by t plus t cube. So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but a plus b the whole cube. So that is c by 2 into t plus 1 by t whole power 3. So this is our x bar plus y bar. Now look at the question. In the question, prove that x bar plus y bar power 2 by 3. That means we have to find out x bar plus y bar power 2 by 3. So raise to the power 2 by 3 on both sides. So according to the question only we are doing this. So raise to the power 2 by 3 on both sides. So what will happen? X bar plus y bar whole power 2 by 3 equal to c by 2 power 2 by 3 into t plus 1 by t whole power 2 by 3. Already one 3 is there. So 6 by 3, that will become as 2. So we can call this as equation 1. By the same manner we can find x bar minus y bar whole power 2 by 3. When you are doing that, we can get c by 2 whole power 2 by 3 into t minus 1 by t whole power 2. Okay. So here we can get c by 2 minus. So minus c by 2 power 2 by 3. When you are finding x bar minus y bar, the first term we can get minus c by 2 power 2 by 3. That is nothing but positive only, because this can be written as c by 2 whole square power 3. So automatically this will become as positive 1. So c by 2 and minus c by 2 power 2 by 3 both are same. Minus c by 2 power 2 by 3 equal to c by 2 power 2 by 3. So that is the reason why here I am writing c by 2 power 2 by 3 and here t minus 1 by t. Now what we are going to do is 1 minus 2, because in the question we have to find out x bar plus y bar minus x bar minus y bar. So 1 minus 2 implies x bar plus y bar whole power 2 by 3 minus x bar minus y bar power 2 by 3 equal to, in both the term we have c by 2 power 2 by 3. So we can write it commonly outside and write the remaining. Here it is t plus 1 by t the whole square and minus t minus 1 by t the whole square. We have to expand this as a plus b the whole square. When you are expanding this, we can get a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here it is minus 2ab, and minus into minus, that will become as 4ab. So that is the reason why here we can get only the number 4. That is c by 2 power 2 by 3 into t square plus 1 by t square plus 2, and here it is minus t square minus 1 by t square, minus into minus plus. So that will become as, can cancel the terms. So only we can get 4. So 4 into c by 2 power 2 by 3. Now look at the question. In the question we have that 4c power 2 by 3. Okay. So x bar plus y bar minus x bar minus y bar equal to, here we have 4 into 1 by 2 whole power 2 by 3. That means what? 4 by 2 power 2 by 3. So this can be written as 4 means 2 square, okay, divided by 2 power 2 by 3, and that is equal to 2 whole power 2 minus 2 by 3, that is equal to 2 power 4 by 3, that is equal to 2 square power 1 by 3, that is 4 power 1 by 3. So that is the reason why in the next step we are writing this as simply 4c power 2 by 3. So now we have to replace x bar as x, y bar as y because the locus. Therefore, x plus y whole power 2 by 3 minus x minus y whole power 2 by 3 equal to 4c power 2 by 3. So here the only thing is 4 into 1 by 2 whole power 2 by 3, that can be written as 4 power 1 by 3. Okay, so hope this is understanding for you. You need not to write all these things in the examination. After this step directly we can write the answer. So this is the required evolute answer for the given hyperbola. Thank you for watching.